when you play this kind of competition, you know that the opponent will be a strong opponent. We know how they play, they have very good players. You know that Oman now is growing a lot. They are still in the fight to qualify for the World Cup. A lot of these players from AFC are in this national team. But I feel that will be an equal game, and we will have options. Obviously, it won't be easy, but it will be easy for them also. I think that will be a very equal game. See, we will do what we can. The ideal is in the minute 10, if we can win 3-0, would be fantastic. But you never know. The only thing that we can say is that we are the team in ISL in the last 2 years that we turn more scores when we start losing games. Then means that the team is strong mentally. Then we will try to start the game in a good way. We know the quality of the opponent, but I feel that they should be worried also. No, the message to the fans is more or less that I say in the beginning. No? We need them. There is a fantastic feeling when you play in Fatorda with a lot of people. Is very, very nice, and I think that all the teams, they feel when the crowd is there, is very nice to play. No? More than, unfortunately, I arrived here in India with 2 years of COVID, and this was terrible. But with the crowd, and if the crowd is from your team, the feeling is very, very good.